Okay, guys, so I'm having like a really challenging time. Let me just turn it like this with my hair. It's just been dry and brittle for quite a while, so I'm just doing some kinky twists, and I'm using some kinky hair from Jamaican twist braid. And yeah, and then also I'm using some shea butter, and I'm using the curls gel souffle from Sheer Moisture to do my hair, because honestly I need to get this hair done so I don't have to touch my hair anymore. So I'm just using pieces of hair and I'm doing twists. So yeah, so this is how far I've gotten with my twists. I haven't gotten really far because I don't know. But I think so far so good. It's kind of long though. And that's because my own hair is long, so if I do it too short, I'll end up cutting my hair, and I don't want that to happen. So, yeah. Okay, so right now I cannot really show you how I'm doing it because I need all of my hands, so I can't really show you. So basically, I'm just sectioning the hair and I'm pulling it apart, so then the curl pattern is more or less dissolved, for lack of a better word. And then after doing this part and taking out any knots that are in the hair, I'm going to put in the curling gel souffle, as well as my shea butter through this hair and through the section that I cut, so that I don't have any stray hairs flying around, and also so that the twist will be very, very neat. So I'm going to do that, and when I'm about to finish my hair, maybe I can show you exactly how I do it. So stay tuned. I finally finished doing my hair. I'm so sorry I didn't show you. I will show you in the next slide how I did it, but I am so proud of myself. Like, this took me let's see, last night I did it for about 7 hours, and today I started doing it at 11 a.m. and I finished at 6 p.m. So 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not that great at math, so anyways, so in total 14 hours, which is crazy, but it came out really good. I'm very, very surprised about how it came out. I'm so proud. So I'm gonna show you with one lock how I braided it, because I did a method. Actually, let me just turn around so you can see. So this is what it looks like. It's really fun, right? So anyways, the way I did it, I started with a 3-strand braid, if you can see, just to secure my hair and the hair itself, because I realized that when I tried to do the twists from the beginning, it kept on slipping. So for me, I decided to use the 3-strand braid before continuing to do the twists. And yeah, it was very, very interesting to do. It wasn't tiring though to do, because I realized that all through the summer I've been touching my hair a lot, so I was more or less used to sitting down and doing my hair. So yeah, and the reason why I did my hair was because I was really tired of touching my own hair, and I realized that my hair started to break because I was manipulating it too much. So this is more or less something very easy for me to wear, and it also limits me from touching my hair so much. So yeah, and I'm very proud of myself for doing this hair. It was a spontaneous move. Like I was just like, I'm over this. I'm just gonna braid my hair, and then that's it. And I thought it would take like 1 hour. A whole 14 hours. But anyways, let me stop with all the rambling. Let's move on to the next clip so you can see how I did it. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so basically, like I was saying before, you just place your index finger and your thumb like that, and then you place it on the front part of the hair as if you're going to do cornrows. Well, that's how I do it. Then I swing this hair back Okay, so it's created a loop, so your actual hair will be in between the two strands of hairs. I hope you guys can see. So it's like this. Okay, it's like this. So you have your two strands over here, and then you have your own hair over here. Next, I twist these two strands, okay, so they overlap, and then I begin to braid. Now, this method helps to secure the hair, the wig onto your hair, which I mentioned before. So now I'm doing my 3-strand braid. Like this. Then when I'm happy with how secure it is to my hair, then I'll begin to twist it all the way down. So this is how I do it. When I'm about to twist, what I do is I grab my own hair and make sure it comes to the middle. Then I split it in half so that each wig strand has a bit of my hair, and so that my hair will blend with the wig properly. I hope you can see. So right now it's split in half. Then I begin my braid, my twist, sorry. And I twist all the way down. And so that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like, to comment, and to subscribe, and make sure to share with other people that would love to learn how to do a 2-strand kinky twist with their hair. This is very easy, very simple, but time consuming. But if you have the patience and the time to do it, then please do it. So yeah, I'd love to know what you guys think about this hair, this complete look. What do you think about it? And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.